Hello everyone and welcome back to the next video of Stacking Up. So today's video is on DIRB. It's a web content scanner used in pen testing to discover hidden directories and files on a website. It works by brute forcing URL using word lists, helping security professionals identify exposed path and potential security risk. Normally, this tool will be pre-installed on your Kali Linux. If it's not installed, you can just use on the official website of Kali Linux, and using the command you can sudo apt install dirb, you can install the tool. So let's deep dive into the demo. But before we deep dive into the demo, I just wanted to tell you that this video is just for the educational purpose. If you misuse this video or the skills to perform any kind of malicious activity, to solely you will be responsible for it. So I will suggest to not use any cybersecurity skill for misuse or to harm anyone. Only use based on their permission, or maybe if you want to try your skills, you can use try hack me or hack the box platform to test. So performing this tool to perform live demo, we will use two websites. One is example.com and one is test vulnerable web. So first we use DIRB, then we will use the domain. First we will use example domain, then we will use the word list. The word list is user user share word list DIRB is pre-installed on your Kali. You can get it from there as well. Command.txt. Now it has started scanning. If it will find any kind of hidden directory, so it will let us know. It will take some time to scan it. As you can see, it's scanning, and it will scan all the directory that are available in this word list. If it will find out anything, it will let us know. Basically, this command scans the target website using predefined word list that we have given. And based on this word list, if there is some hidden panel available and reachable, it will let us know. I think it will take more time. So I will just pause the video. Once the scanning has been finished, I will resume the video again. As you can see, it has been finished, but we are unable to find any directory, as you can see over here on the result. Now we will test another website. Now the other website that we're gonna test is for vulnerable website. Just copy, and over here we just go over here and we will just replace the website. And it has started, so it will also take some time. So I will just again pause the video, and once if it's the scanning has been finished, I will resume the video, or else the video will be too long. As you can see in this also, we didn't find any URL present in this word list, any hidden directory. So like this we can have multiple word lists, we can test based on the URL, and if they will find any kind of hidden directory, it will let us know. So stay tuned for more cybersecurity videos, and like, share and subscribe to Stackings Up.